Hi lovelies, welcome back again to my channel. Today I share with you one of Ghanaian's famous street snack, which is egg pie. One of the easiest pie recipe to make in Ghana, and trust me, you are definitely going to love the end results. If today being your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Let's dive right into it. Alright, so since we are going to be making egg pie, obviously I'm going to be needing my eggs, and I'm going to be using 5 eggs for this recipe. So to begin with everything, I will start by cooking my eggs until it's nice and well cooked. Alright. Afterwards, I'll start by mixing my ingredients. So to a bowl, I'll go in with my all-purpose flour. To that, I'll go in with some nutmeg, salt to taste, sugar. You can also omit the sugar if you don't want to, alright? Next, I'll go in with some baking powder. I'll mix it all together until all the ingredients mixes well with the flour very well. And don't worry, I'm going to be listing everything in the description box for you to check it out. Whilst that is done, I'll go in with some blended garlic and onions as well. And for the butter, you can as well go in with any butter of your choice. I am using salted butter for this recipe, and it's very cold, as you can see from the video. So now let's mix everything until the butter also incorporates with the flour very well. Whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always supporting your girl, commenting, subscribing, sharing my videos, and also liking my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after mixing everything nicely, you should get a consistency like this, just the way you're seeing it on your screens right now. After getting the right consistency, I'll go in with my evaporated milk. It's always advisable not to go in with water when making pie. You can as well sprinkle just a little bit of water if you don't want to use milk. But too much of water will cause your dough or your pie to be very hard. Alright? So now let's mix and form a dough out of this. Remember not to knead your dough as well. We want to really have a perfect pie crust. Alright? So now let's mold everything into a ball shape, and also I'm going to be keeping this in the refrigerator to rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. If you don't have that much time, you can just go ahead and roll out your dough and begin to add in any filling of your choice, and you are good to go. Alright, while that is going on, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell as well, so that anytime I upload a new video on this channel, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so we are also back to check on the eggs after 10 to 15 minutes of cooking it, and it's doing all perfect and ready. So I will remove off the shell and also cut the eggs into two, just the way you see it on the screens, and afterwards I will set it aside. So moving forward, I will start by rolling out my dough, just the way you see it on the screens right now. We just have to be gentle with the rolling process because we don't want to really stretch out the dough very well. Okay, so afterwards you can as well use any object or any shape at all of your choice to cut your pie. And I'm going to be placing the egg in the pie crust just the way you see it on the screens, and afterwards I will use my knife or any cutter of your choice to open where the egg is to look just how the street sellers will do it. And afterwards I will use my fork or my hands to seal it very nicely just the way you see it on your screens right now. Afterwards, you should get a perfect and nice egg pie, just the way you are seeing it on the screens right now. Isn't this perfect and simple? So now let's repeat the same process until we are done with everything. Alright, so after filling in the pie with some egg, it is all done and beautiful, just the way you see it on the screens right now. At this point, all that is left is to brush the toppings of this pie with some egg wash or milk, and whilst that is done, we're going to be baking this in the oven for about 120 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes. All right. And after extra 10 to 15 minutes, this is how the egg pie turned out. It turned out so good and perfect. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this Ghanaian egg pie recipe. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try, and I will be waiting for you in the comment section to read all your beautiful feedback afterwards. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoy to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Thank you so much for watching, and kindly stay blessed. Bye.